Gas prices have hit a 10-year low. Some places in Michigan are even seeing gas for less than $1 a gallon.
Drivers lining up at that gas station in Michigan could barely believe their eyes. Prices slashed from 84 cents to just 47 cents a gallon.
But the question is, why is gas so cheap? And how can we make money on it? What's up everybody? My name is Jaspreet Singh and welcome to the Minority Mindset. Gas prices have been a hot topic on the news, whether it's because the prices are high,
certainly a hot button issue with the price of gas averaging well over $4 per gallon,
or low.
It's 70 cents lower than June when it was $3.68 a gallon.
But what's really controlling the price of the gas we put in our car? Gasoline is a byproduct of crude oil. To give you some background, crude oil is a fossil fuel. That means it's made from the fossils of dead plants and animals. So when the oil is pumped out of the ground, it's taken to a refinery where it's distilled into gasoline. That's why the price of gasoline and crude oil are directly related. The price of oil has crashed. Right now, the price of oil is selling for under $30 a barrel. That's less than 30% of what it used to be in June 2014 when it was selling for $108 a barrel. So what's causing the crash in oil prices? Well, like everything else, the value of oil is based on supply and demand. Right now, we're making way too much oil. And on top of that, the dollar has become a lot stronger because we've stopped printing money from quantitative easing and we've increased interest rates. This gives the dollar more buying power, meaning we can buy more oil for the same amount of money. This has further brought down the price of oil. You might be wondering, if the cost of oil is so low, why isn't the price of gas less than $1 a gallon everywhere? One barrel produces 42 gallons of gas. At $30 a barrel, that means it costs 71 cents to produce a gallon of gas. Now, on top of that, you have to add federal tax of 18.4 cents a gallon. And on top of that, you have to add state tax, which ranges from 12 cents in Alaska to 50 cents a gallon in Pennsylvania. And then you have to add in the profits of the gas station and all the other people in the middle. So what does cheap oil mean for the economy? For the average consumer, that means cheap gas, lower prices of goods because the transportation cost is lower, and more money in your pockets.
Puts extra money in my pocket to spend on my family.
But cheap oil hurts oil companies because they can't sell their product for as much.
Concern for energy companies and energy jobs. Demetrian Roberts lost her job at an oil company this month.
And it also hurts alternative energy companies because when oil is very cheap, there's little incentive to find alternative energy. So with the price of oil falling so low, how can we make money on this? I don't remember exactly, but wasn't there just a crash in the market in the US?
Wall Street shaken to its very foundation today.
Or maybe it was an entire industry.
Well, we've heard the question over and over again, has the housing market bubble burst?
When something bad happens in the economy, people tend to panic and they sell their assets at a distressed price, meaning really cheap. That's the same thing that happened in the real estate and the stock market between 2008 and 2010. But the brave investors that went in and bought the assets when everyone else was selling and running away were able to make a lot of money. Many countries still rely on oil, and although we might have alternative fuels coming, they're still a ways away. So let's look at the fundamentals. Oil is trading at $29 a barrel, but guess what? It costs $36 to produce 1 barrel of oil in the US, $47 in Brazil, and $52 in the UK. So if the oil companies are losing money by producing oil, they're gonna have to stop. And when they stop, that's gonna reduce the supply of oil available, which will naturally increase demand. That will result in a higher price of oil. But I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't tell you what to do or how to invest. But it's something to keep your eye on as oil keeps falling lower. What do you think? Is it a good time to buy oil? Leave your answers in the comments below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our new videos. And if you're not already, follow us on Snapchat. Take a picture or a screenshot of this image right here, go on to Snapchat, click add friends, and then add my Snapchat code, and then click on the image. You'll get to see me make YouTube videos, go to law school, and a bunch of other fun things. And because we are a new YouTube channel, please share this with your friends to help us grow. Thank you.